What's up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily market close for Monday, May 18th, 2026. The mood on Wall Street today? Definitely mixed. Let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. The Dow Jones managed to squeak out a gain, closing at 497.01, up 0.3%. Not a huge move, but green is green. The S&P 500 wasn't so lucky, dipping slightly to 738.65, down 0.07%, basically flat, and the Nasdaq had a tougher session, falling to 705.88, down nearly 0.5%. Tech clearly felt the pressure today. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven. And today, there's a clear standout, for the wrong reasons. Tesla got hammered, dropping 2.9% to close at $409.99. That is a significant one-day move. Nvidia also slid, falling 1.33% to $222.32. Chipmakers had a rough afternoon. Apple drifted lower by 0.8%, ending the day at $297.84. Meta pulled back modestly, down about 0.5% to $611.21. The lone bright spot? Microsoft. It bucked the trend, climbing 38 basis points to close at $423.54. So really, one winner and four losers among the mega caps today. Let's flip over to commodities, where the picture was actually a bit brighter. Gold ticked up 0.25% to $418.43 an ounce. Steady as she goes for the safe haven trade. Silver had a stronger session, popping 1.3% to $69.94. That's a nice move, and oil continued to push higher. WTI crude climbed 0.7% to $149.29 a barrel. Energy bulls are staying in the driver's seat. Over in crypto, it was a red day. Bitcoin slipped 1.25%, trading at $77,091. Ethereum got hit harder, dropping 2.15% to $2,135.89. Both major tokens gave back gains as risk appetite faded. Unfortunately, no fresh Forex data came through today. We'll keep monitoring the euro, pound, and yen crosses for tomorrow's update. Now a few headlines shaping the conversation. That Tesla sell-off was the talk of the trading floor. Investors are watching delivery data and margin concerns closely heading into the summer. Meanwhile, the Dow's outperformance over the Nasdaq suggests a rotation happening under the surface. Money appears to be moving away from growth and into value names. And commodity strength, especially in oil near $150, continues to keep inflation expectations on everyone's radar. So here's the takeaway from today. We saw a clear split between old economy and new economy names. The Dow climbed while the Nasdaq stumbled. Commodities rallied while crypto retreated. It's a classic mixed session, and it tells us the market is searching for direction. Watch for tomorrow's trading to see if tech can bounce back or if this rotation has more legs. Keep an eye on crude oil as it flirts with that $150 level. And stay tuned for any macro data drops that could shift the narrative. That's your market close for May 18th. If this was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss an update. See you tomorrow.